Whether you're trying to pay off those student loans faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush, or you just want some extra cash to fuel your weekend adventures, these side hustles are the ultimate key to financial freedom. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready for some serious side hustle inspiration, because we're about to dive into a world of endless possibilities. Let's do this. Let's talk about the power of words. Freelance writing is a great side hustle for those who love to write. You don't need to be Shakespeare to make money from writing. Many businesses and individuals pay for quality content. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer various writing gigs. Use your writing skills to help businesses grow. Be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere. No more stuffy office cubicles or long commutes. The more you write, the better you'll get, and the more you can charge. It's like a snowball effect of awesomeness. So if you love writing, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. Next up, we're diving into the world of online tutoring, where you get to be the cool, knowledgeable friend everyone wishes they had in school. If you've got a knack for explaining complex concepts, then this side hustle is calling your name. Whether it's math, science, history, or a unique hobby, there's a student out there who needs your help. Many students struggle to grasp these concepts. You can guide them to academic success. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com make connecting with students easy. It's like having a virtual classroom at your fingertips. Set your own hours, choose your subjects, and work from anywhere. You're not just earning money, you're making a real difference, helping students build confidence and improve their grades. It's like being a superhero with a whiteboard and a passion for education. Ready to share your knowledge and earn some cash? Online tutoring is for you. All right, let's be real. We're living in a digital world, and social media is king. Businesses need help navigating platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you're the mastermind behind a brand's online presence. You'll craft content, schedule posts, interact with followers, and analyze data. It's like being a digital marketing guru, but you can work in your PJs. You don't need to be a tech whiz. If you're a natural storyteller with a creative eye, you've got what it takes. Plus, there are tons of online resources to help you level up. The earning potential is sweet. As you gain experience, you can charge premium rates and land big-name clients. You could become the next social media superstar. Imagine turning your passion for social media into a profitable side hustle. With dedication and creativity, the sky's the limit. Calling all artists and visual geniuses. Turn your design skills into cash with graphic design. Businesses need unique graphics to stand out, and that's where you come in. Create logos, websites, brochures, and social media graphics. Use platforms like Canva and 99 Designs to start even as a beginner. Build your portfolio, charge higher rates, and aim for big-name clients. Take online courses and watch tutorials to improve your skills. Network with other designers and potential clients to grow your business. Start now and turn your creativity into a profitable side hustle. Dropshipping. Be your own boss. Sell products online. Ever dreamed of running your own online store but thought it was too expensive or complicated? Dropshipping lets you start an online store without holding inventory or handling shipping. You set up a store, list products from suppliers, and when someone orders, the supplier ships directly to the customer. You're the middleman, earning a profit without touching the product. Choose your niche, set your hours, and work from anywhere. The possibilities are endless. With the right strategy, you can turn your side hustle into a full-time business. Start today and be your own boss. Pet sitting, the ultimate side hustle for animal lovers. If you love animals and have some free time, pet sitting can be a rewarding and flexible side hustle. From walking dogs to feeding cats, You'll get to spend time with furry friends while earning extra cash. Pet owners need trustworthy individuals to look after their furry friends. That's where you come in. As a pet sitter, you'll handle tasks like feeding, walking, playing, and providing companionship to pets. You can specialize in areas like dog walking, pet grooming, pet boarding, or administering medication. Plus, it's a great way to stay active and meet new people in your community. So, why not turn your passion for pets into a profitable side hustle? Content creation. Share your passion. Build your audience. Get paid. Calling all storytellers, gamers, makeup gurus, comedians, and everyone in between. Share your passion and create engaging content to build an audience. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitch make it easy to reach a wide audience with just a smartphone. Find your niche, produce high-quality content, and be consistent. Whether it's skits, makeup tips, gaming, or educational videos, there's an audience waiting for you. As your audience grows, monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Turn your passion into a paycheck. The key is to stay authentic and keep your audience engaged. Your unique voice is your greatest asset. Start your side hustle journey today. And there you have it, 7 epic side hustles that can empower you to take control of your finances, gain valuable experience, and maybe even turn your passion into a full-time gig. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. So, what are you waiting for? Choose the side hustle that speaks to your soul. Take that leap of faith and watch as you unlock a world of endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share it with your friends who are ready to level up their side hustle game. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're capable of amazing things. Now go out there and crush it.